Well, let's lock up, everyone. It's time for Christmas.
Woohoo! I'm so excited. We've been waiting all year for this.
That's right, Jake, when you should have been working.
Eric, leave Jake alone. He just really loves Christmas.
So true. I think he got his Christmas shopping done in August.
It looks like somebody's pulling in for a service.
Wow, I hate to leave someone stranded on Christmas Eve, but it's the spirit of Christmas that's most important. That's what this is all about, and that's what we're all about.
All right, well, I'll unlock the front door and tell them to pull around back.
Hey, I don't see anyone. You sure someone's there?
I guess he didn't need servicing after all.
I think I hear that noise again, but it's coming from the back of the building.
What the heck is going on? Oh my god.
I already twisted my ankle.
Oh, wait, where's Santa? It's a train.
A toy train.
Oh my gosh, it's Santa! It's actually Santa, I can't believe it.
Santa, welcome to Mountainview Harley-Davidson. How can we be of service?
Ho, ho, ho! Well, thank you for asking, young man. I've been all around the world looking for someone who understands the meaning of Christmas. And it's brought me to Chilliwack.
Wow, that's really cool.
It's an honor to have you here, sir. How can we help you?
Well, because I'm resting my reindeer for tonight's journey, I decided to use my little train. And sadly, I think I have engine problems, which, quite frankly, make me concerned about my traveling back to the North Pole. So I'm looking to you for some help.
Cutting it a little close, aren't you, Santa?
Hey, don't be dissing Santa!
We can help you out. We'll get it fixed in no time. Why don't you help us decorate while we wait?
That sounds great. You wouldn't happen to have any milk and cookies, would you? After all, it's going to be a very long night.
Don't worry, Santa. We've got it all here. Why don't you help us celebrate while you wait?
Wow, you Mountain View people are really efficient and extremely friendly.
Thanks, Santa. We do our best.
And there'll be something a little special for you under the tree this year.
Yes, I'm getting the new Xbox.
Listen, I'm an efficient old elf, but I don't do miracles. All right then, off I go. And Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night. Merry Christmas, Santa! Ho, 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 ho.